Hello Tuton participants, how are you? I hope you are great. First of all, I'd like to say welcome to online tutorial or Tuton Indonesia Open University in the course of Writing 2. So in this video, we will talk about materials in Initiation 1. Before that, I'd like you to know that the typical of materials in each initiation consists of two types. The first is the main material and the second is the additional material. Some of the main material will be provided in the form of video like this, and the other will be in the form of PowerPoint. Alright, let's go to the material in Initiation 1. In this main material, I'd like to give a summary of the writing topics that you can find in the third module of Compulsory Book of Writing 2, Indonesia Open University. There are three writing topics in this initiation. They are first, writing an advice, second, writing an opinion, and the third, writing notes, making an appointment. Okay, let's go to the first, writing an advice. In writing an advice, you will be asked to comprehend a problem and giving the right solution based on its problem discussed. So you must highlight that first you should identify the problem and think to give solution related to the problem. Let's go to the example. Okay, this is the problem. I have a problem with my classmate. Actually, I like him very much because he is a nice and helpful person. But one thing I don't like is that he is smelly. He never wears perfume. I want to tell him that he is smelly, but I am afraid that he will be offended. Many of my friends say so. Please help me what to do, Julie. And this is how to write an advice in paragraph writing. So let's break down the aspect of writing. First, a paragraph writing or an essay or composition should at least have three aspects. First, introductory paragraph, or we call it as opening. Second, body or main body or content. And third, closing or conclusion if the part contains conclusion. Because the question prompt is in the form of consultation problem form, so the writer gives gratitude expression prior to the introductory paragraph part like this. After that, not only addressing the gratitude expression and highlighting the problem, before he gives the advice, please notice that there is a transition sentence. This is an important part in writing to connect between introductory part and body or content part. So, if you don't want your writing jump or it has missing story between the introductory part and body content part, you can add the transition sentence in the end of introductory paragraph like this. Okay, next is body or content. Here, the writer gives advice or solution to the problems. Notice that this paragraph contains the basic part of writing in paragraph. Those are main idea and supporting details. Be aware that your paragraph, every paragraph at least contains these aspects. Again, main idea and supporting details. Look, the main idea is give him a bottle of perfume as a gift. And the supporting details contain the information that support the main idea. So the content of the paragraph is coherent, not jumping. The last is the closing part. Again, because it is in the form of problem consultation, the closing is about encouraging the advisee. That's it for writing an advice.